Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag certification tutorial. In this video we are going to learn how to get 100% free CompTIA SecOT Plus certification. This is the Plus series and certification code is S01-001. So CompTIA is providing the 100% free CompTIA SecOT Plus S01-001 certification exam voucher. This is the free OT security certification 2026. So CompTIA is launching its first ever operational technology. This is the OT security certification, that is SecOT Plus S01-001, and qualified professional can earn this certification completely free by participating in the beta exam. So focus area is the OT safety and physical impact security, OT risk management, IT versus OT operational differences, OT governance and compliance, OT incident detection and response. So who should apply? So there's the OT security engineers, ICS and SCADA engineers, security analyst, security architects, plant and critical infrastructure leader. Requirement is there 3+ year working on OT environments, 2+ years securing the OT system. Benefits of the certification is take the beta exam free, earn the official certification, CompTIA SecOT Plus certification at no cost upon passing. Help shape the future of the OT security certification. So important dates are there. Pass the beta by the June 26th, 2026 for a special incentive, and beta testing window close on August 7, 2026. Official certification launches on December 2026. Apply here. So this is the link, and don't just follow the feature of OT security, help define it with the CompTIA SecOT Plus. So this is the link. We'll open this link. So save the feature of the OT security with the CompTIA. The other details are there. So main thing is what's in it for you. So qualify, take and pass the beta exam, earn the CompTIA SecOT Plus certification free of charge. So just remember this one. Official beta exam result will be released when the exam launches on December 2026. So who will participate? All the details are there. So there, go with this detail. This is the course detail. So overview of the SecOT coming on December 2026. This is the logo of the certification. And skill and OT safety and system demonstrate safety control and architecture skill unique to OT, risk and compliance, analyze and response to threat using the OT, build harden and operate secure OT architecture, platform assistant management and vulnerability assessment and security monitoring in the industrial setup, and prepare the execute OT specific incident response. So other details are there. So exam detail is there. This is the exam version 1. Exam series code is SOT 001. Launch date is this one December 2026, and recommended this one experience 3+ years of hands-on work on OT environment and 2+ year implementing the OT cybersecurity solution. And retirement of this certification is estimated for 3 years after the launch. So other details, join the wait list. So when this will launch, you will get a notification for that. You can join this one wait list for this. Next is the SEC OT plus B1 exam objective summary, OT system and safety foundation. So other details are there: OT risk management, OT threat intelligence, OT cybersecurity architecture and design and engineering, OT securities operation, OT incident management. So preview of full SecOT plus exam objective draft version is here. So we can open this exam, this link. So let me open this. And meanwhile, just click on sign up. Or click here to provide the honest answer to the few brief assessment question. If you are selected, CompTIA will contact you with the beta exam detail. Pass this beta by 26 of 2026 for a special invitee, and beta window is closed on August 7, 2026. So click here. So regarding about the exam, percentage of examination, all the details you can find here, and some of the techniques and other details you can find on this page. So here, welcome to CompTIA the SecOT plus beta exam assessment. So other details you can click on next. So which of the following is the best? Describe your job role on the function. So OT security analyst, OT architect, OT security engineer and specialist, and the operation technology engineer. I am not currently employed, and other you can just select as per your requirement. And here experience, just click like this. So 2 to 3 or 3 to 4, you can select one of this. And are you the age of 18 years old? Click on yes and click on next. So now, based on the description above the CompTIA SEC OT plus beta exam, you are interested in being considered for the participation. Yes. And I acknowledge and agree to the above statement. Click here, put your name. So job title is, so so insert anything you want, company name, and you put your city, state, country, email address, at the rate gmail.com, and LinkedIn profile your address. So get your LinkedIn address. So just like this is my LinkedIn address. So I'm going to insert this one. Just click on submit. So thank you for participating on our form. So if you are qualified or selected for the beta exam, you will be notified with the detailed instruction on the how to register. So we have gone through the step-by-step process to get 100% free CompTIA SecOT plus S0 T. This will be T001 certification exam voucher. So all the step-by-step process is there. Now disclaimer is there. This video is created for the educational and informational purpose only under the Fair Use Section 107 Copyright Act 1976. All trademarks and logos belongs to their respective owners. And for any copyright concern, you can go through this email address. Follow and support in YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, WhatsApp channel and Telegram channel is there. Follow the process exactly shown in the video. Do you have any question? Then drop them into the comment box. And please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Hope this will help. Thank you for watching.